Reform UK leader Nigel Farage has hit out after being grilled by audience members for 30 minutes on the BBC show Question Time. Reform UK leader Nigel Farage has said he is boycotting the BBC, following his appearance on Question Time. Mr Farage, who is standing for election in Clacton, faced questions from members of the audience for 30 minutes on the flagship programme Question Time. Now he has accused the BBC's audience of being biased and has refused to appear on Laura Queensberg's show until he gets an apology. Writing on X, formerly Twitter, on Saturday afternoon, Mr Farage said, "I have just been invited to appear on Laura Queensberg. I'm refusing until the BBC apologises for their dishonest QT audience. Our state broadcaster has behaved like a political actor throughout this election." Reform will be campaigning vigorously to abolish the licence fee. On the BBC Question Time special, which also featured Green Party co-leader Adrian Ramsey, Mr Farage was asked why his party attracts racists and extremists. The Reform leader claimed he had done more to drive the far right out of British politics than anybody else alive. He claimed the audience was rigged and these were not ordinary members of the public, adding, "They had picked a prominent pro-Palestine activist and even a BBC TV director to attack me." Having taken part in a protest does not rule someone out from applying to be in the audience. A BBC spokeswoman said, "We refute these claims." Last night's Question Time audience was made up of broadly similar levels of representation from Reform UK and the Green Party, with the other parties represented too. There were also a number of people, with a range of political views, who were still making up their mind.